always trying to heal my body from cancer and joint pain and inflammation. I was very depressed and very anxious about my cancer diagnosis, and after cancer treatment, I was having a hard time waking up in the mornings and getting out of bed without pain in my feet and my hands, and bending down and standing back up was very hard sometimes because of the joint pain. It's almost 180. The pain in my hands and my feet are virtually gone. I can get down and get back up almost like nothing. I'm actually able to exercise, lift weights, and do some strength training to give me an opportunity to take a little time to myself and kind of heal my mind as well as my body. But everybody here is so invested, I think, in at least my personal story. They're always encouraging to me, they're always helpful to me, they're always listening to me when I'm upset or if I'm scared or concerned, and it's a nice place to be.